So this is how you install a new firmware in Flipper Zero. First, make sure your Flipper Zero is plugged in. And then second, you go to the firmware that you want. So for this one, I'm gonna use the RogueMaster from GitHub. So I'm gonna put the link I'm gonna put the link in the description or the comments, and then just click on it so it will take you to the GitHub. And then I'm gonna scroll down, go to assets, and make sure you choose this one. It says RM112, and then the extension name is TGZ. So that's the one that you need to update your firmware. And then you go back to your desktop. I'm using desktop right now. So this is the firmware, this is the like the interface, the GUI. And then you click install from file. And then once you click on that, this is the one that I downloaded. I'm gonna choose that and then click open. And it says here, firmware file will be installed. So I'll click install. And then now you're gonna wait. Let's see how fast this will go. So it looks like it's taking a while, but I wanna see how long it's gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, it's installed. And then the Flipper Zero is lighting up too right now. It says, what is saying? RMFW update. It's currently writing. Okay. This is what you see on your desktop. And this is what's happening. Yeah. It's kinda, my USB wire is short, so let's see what's going on. It says here, updating following the progress on your Flipper Zero. Do not unplug the device. So do not unplug. I'm not gonna unplug. It still says 23%. So while we're waiting, let's open up the log. There you go. You can see the logs here. Okay, it's 30%. %. Oh, it's taking a while, huh? So it's taking a while. See, you can also open the full log of it. Let's see the full log. Fetch data information. Oh, it's a JSON file. So I wonder which one is the new one. Is it the one on top? Or it's one at the bottom? Okay, let's close this. Okay, so I also noticed the dolphin is gone, and this Dragon Ball Z character is the one I see now. This one. Okay, it's 95%. Still saying updating. Do not unplug the device. Okay, it says here. Can you see it? It says here. RMFW update success. So you can see now. And they look like Dragon Ball Z. I just don't know the name of the character. Super Saiyan. Okay, let's see what's gonna go. Okay, it says here next. Oh, it says Discord. Okay. Oh, look. Now this is the one you see. Oh, it's so cool. RogueMaster. RogueMaster. Cool. So it's there. It's already installed. Okay, so that's how you install it.